raining. Oh wow, there's a lot of people in there.
Oh shit.
There's so much people in there. It's fine. We could be in the back of the shuttle. It's fine.
There's a park at 5 minutes Irish.
91.5 and more. Mixed up by Las Vegas' vibe. The Queen of Flow moves to mornings. It's Carlea's Cafe from 9, followed by the return of Rita.
Got a lot of legroom space.
It's actually fun.
I know. Yeah. Gucci. Oh my gosh, that's the bag that I want. There, that little one.
The brown one?
Yeah, the brown one. Louis.
We haven't been here in a while.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're here at the conservatory in Bellagio. What if we see Blackpink here? Oh, the world's largest chocolate fountain. This is how you be on the toilet.
That's fun recently, dude. This is him now, right here. This one right here.
This
the
one?
flow.
Okay.
No, it's more like this one.
Oh, like this. I think it's here.
Open your
Ooh, this is nice. Where are we going? Omnia? Stop. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh, it's raining outside. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Dude, let me run the bike. I might get fucking infected, dude.
Alright guys, the tram is here, so oh my gosh, please don't close, please. The tram is now boarding. Please, please stand clear, the doors are now closing, no!
Open your door!
God damn it! It's okay, we'll wait for the next one. Oh, 9 minutes. Okay, it's not that bad. Oh, there goes the tram.
Oh, so it's Arya next, and then...
Oh shoot, there's people here. Oh yeah, you gotta do the subway style. Subway surfers. Ooh, it's so blue in here. This is kind of cool. Ooh, look at this pink light. We were gonna take a picture in there, but I guess there was an uninvited guest. Oh my gosh. Literally my dream bag.
No.
This one? Nah. I want this one too, the circle one.
Yeah, I don't really like that.
You don't like it? Okay, go. Alright, for good fortune. Oh! Oh! Oh, nice, nice. Alright, we're winning tonight. We're winning tonight. Okay, we're trying Steve Aoki's pizza.
Smells good.
It does? Oh, it's right here. I got mic drop. That's inspired by BTS. Let's try this Steve Aoki pizza.
That'd be good, I can smell it already.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. They're gonna dab the oil.
Yeah, I'm giving it a face.
Alright, I'm gonna try it, okay? It's good. It's like a thin pizza. Yeah.
So good.
Way better than freaking secret pizza.
Yeah, way better. Let's test.
Taste test before I put the food in.
Yeah, taste it plain first. Not putting like the Parmesan and stuff. Good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Fried pizza yoki.
Way better than
Thanks, Steve. Oh, yeah.
It's good, huh? Right, we're all gonna devour it. Voucher.
Gotta rub the belly.
Whoa, hey, Justin. Did rub the belly.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. It's like books. Go grab one. Can you touch it? Like touchscreen?
Ready?
No.
I thought it was inside the milkshake.
Oh my
Dude, that
gosh.
It's beautiful.
But it's infused.
Yeah,
Try
it's
it.
a boozy. Dude, you get so buzzed with this. Look,
Yo. Dude, that, you need to get it.
where you can't even taste it.
Let me try.
Actually, tastes just a little
Just
bit.
a little bit, but it's
Let
not
me try.
so much.
The Oreo comes in and it takes away the alcohol.
I can taste it though.
Yeah, you can, but it's not that.
Yeah, but it goes away.
Yeah, because the Oreo.
With the cheddar cheese dip.
Yes.
Wait, take a picture. Wait.
Wait, what is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, yours looks good with the potato chip. Oh, it's a yam. Crispy yams. Oh, it's a tempura avocado. It's a freaking tempura avocado. Well, that's a big ass piece of avocado. And this is the Philly cheese rolls.
Initial taste.
Was the rest looking good?
Really good. Thank you.
Want to get it shaken?
Yeah.
It's like a queso dip.
It is.
Alright, when are you gonna try it?
I don't know, but the alcohol's hitting me already.
Alright, this is the s'mores milkshake. Oh yeah. Without alcohol.
So rich that you'd still cook in a hotel. You have the money to buy food.
I
You
would.
would just buy more expensive like equipment.
Equipment, yeah.
To cook like a whole freaking grill.
I would have like portable everything. Alright. The first one has been installed. No, the worker did it. He's struggling with this one. Oh, there it is.
Make sure to check your fluids, your wipers, and everything before you go on a road trip. And the weather. Got Irish driving right now. Everybody else is Okay, wait a minute, what's going on here?
I think that's why they're all turning right. I think something happened. We have made it free.
Not yet.
Not
I
yet.
think we're about to hit the worst part soon. Actually, no. Anything is better than that traffic that we just had.
Yeah.
Anything is better.
Oh!
Mayday.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit.
I'm fucking thought.
Oh yeah, we had your plate. Laughing as you're enjoying it.
We didn't die.
Oh!
We're getting fucked. I'm going in the splash zone, dude. Hell,
We have lost visual again.
I'm going behind. And I'm about to put my freaking emergencies on, dude.
There's a lot of like stuff on the ground that you can't really like.
Dude. But it's just like a lot of clothes.
Yeah. Why are there clothes though? Is what I wonder.
Welcome to Hurricane Hilary.